iconic silhouette and a fun, kid-friendly vibe are combined in the Nike Air Force 1 dog icon sneaker. Although its design highlights children's uniqueness and vitality, it includes elements that rival those of adults. The shoe has a pop effect even in a quiet setting thanks to the upper's well-balanced combination of light sky blue and crisp white. The swoosh on the side stands out even when moving because of its rich blue color, which is similar to denim. Children who wish to give their feet a distinctive look will love this color scheme. The humorous dog icon that is embroidered on the heel of this footwear is one of its distinctive features. Every time you see the dog with the cap on, you can't help but smile at its naughty look. Even after you remove your shoes, the lining's geometric pattern of blue and white makes it adorable. The red Nike Air Force 1 emblem on the shoe tongue tightens the overall design. Furthermore, to offer a unique touch, gold eyelets are fastened above the shoelaces.